traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as creating an uptrend. I think this is most likely 3 ways up for W, 3 ways down for X, and 1, 2, 3 ways up for a wave Y, which I still think needs to go up and take out these previous two highs. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, that would make this right here wave 1. That would make this a big ABC correction like a wave 2. I believe we're in a wave 3, and I believe, yeah, there's going to be pullbacks on shorter time frames, but I believe on these higher time frames, it should definitely continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, price has definitely been going down for a little while now on the Aussie dollar. I'm really not convinced that this move down is anything more than a correction, and I'm definitely still looking for longs. It may end up stretching out a little bit into more of an ABC before it actually does go up, but I am definitely still very, very bullish and still looking primarily for longs. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, this move down to me looks more like a trend. Kind of makes me think that it's actually only just like a wave A of a much, much bigger correction. You know, maybe it's going to go up, but maybe that move up is a wave B, and then maybe it goes down for a wave C. We have to keep in mind that even though this does look like it would make the most sense for it to make a proper ABC correction, sometimes what we think is a wave B will actually just be the continuation of the uptrend. So if price does go up, if it does break structure, you definitely should try to go long because it could just keep on trending up, making higher highs and higher lows. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely be looking for shorts still on these sort of time frames unless price goes up and breaks this structure right here. If price goes up and breaks this, I would definitely start looking for longs on the end of pullbacks. If price does not break this, but instead does something like this, you know, 1, 2, 3 waves down impulsive, then that would definitely be another entry for me to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So I'm definitely looking for shorts on the 1 hour time frame. I realize on the 1 hour time frame that this definitely could be all part of a correction on the daily time frame, and at some point the trend probably will just keep on trending back up. So pay attention to your structure, pay attention for 3 way pullbacks, engulfing move down for entries to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.